Alright, this is my friend's 2002 Grand Prix GT. It's pretty cool. He has dual exhaust on the back, pretty nice mufflers. Put some nice red stickers on there, make it come fast. This car's loud as hell. As you can see, he has the back windows smoke. Let's go to this side of the car. Now we're gonna see his intake. If he even pops it open and turns his damn car on. It's all shiny and red, man. Look at all that.
Get it right here so when it turns on they can hear it.
Check this intake out. Do it one more time. And that's his car.